Q3aiii Part 3, and AA Insurance released its top 10 stolen vehicle models from the 1st of May 2013 to the 30th of April 2014. So here we have a whole bunch of models. And if you go through it, you'll find that the list is quite different from that of the police data and give statistical reasons for these differences. Okay, so the top over here seems to be the Toyota Hilux in the police data, whereas the Honda Tourneo doesn't even seem to make a mention on police data. So we don't really have any information on that. So we don't even have any Toyotas on here. And the Nissans, there's only, so the Nissans over here are Nissan Sunnies and Nissan Safira, which aren't on the list over here. So yeah, the list is pretty much completely different. So why might that be? Well, one of the first reasons that sort of pops out is that this is from May 2013 to 2014, whereas the police data is 2015. So they're different years. So data is from an earlier year than the police data. So, you know, there's bound to be different variations in cars. Okay, so that might be why the cars are different. All right, something else that so this is from the 1st of May 2013 to the 30th of April 2014. So it goes for a whole year. So it takes into account both summer and winter, you know, the whole season, whereas the police data is only for half a year. So, I mean, there could be differences, variations in terms of what people are stealing in terms of summer and winter, you know, holidays, people are away on holidays, maybe that affects it too. Okay, so half year versus full year could affect what is being stolen. For instance, people are away on holiday in summer, less in winter. You know, people's movements could definitely affect what's being stolen. Another thing that we might want to think about is that the AA is only really going to be getting details about people who have insurance on their cars. Now, not everyone insures their cars so that if it gets stolen, they get paid back for it. So AA is only recording those that make claims on cars stolen, i.e., in other words, those that have insurance, have theft insurance. And what most people don't have theft insurance on cheaper cars. So potentially the bulk of the cars that are being stolen that the police are being recording, maybe they're kind of cheaper cars or older cars that people don't tend to insure as much. And the ones that are being insured potentially, I mean, I don't really know that much about any of these. It's been a while. But potentially these ones are cars that are a little bit more expensive, so people are more likely to, or even newer cars, so people are more likely to insure them because they're still worth something. So yeah, AA is only recording those that make claim on stolen, those that have theft insurance, not all car thefts are recorded by AA, but more likely by the police. Yep, there also AA may have limits on what they insure as well. Have limits on what they insure, which will affect what people claim for. So this one requires you to give as many different, give statistical reasons for this difference. List as many different things that could possibly be why. If you've given